4 ways to refresh Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about top 4 ways to refresh your Android device. So first thing, as we all know that we must restart your device in order to refresh it. So for that, just long press on any one of the buttons which you prefer or which lets you see this screen, that is restart, and simply restart your Android phone just like that. So the second step is you might as well use the airplane mode to completely reset or restart your network issue if you are having one. So you can just always click on this airplane mode just like this and re-disable it just like this to refresh your network services. So the third way to do it is you can actually perform a reset inside your settings. So you can always come over to the settings and simply search in for reset settings to reset your Android phone if it's not working properly. So you can also actually simply reset all of the settings, but it will delete all of your data as well. So for that, you can always try resetting your mobile network, try resetting your accessibility settings, which won't affect any of the data in your mobile. So finally, what you can also do is finally uninstall all of the apps or unused apps which are making your device slow. So just head over to your settings and click on this app section from over here and locate all of the applications which you have not been using properly or mostly, and simply uninstall those applications just like this from over here, and that will free up your space and save your memory and make your mobile devices fast. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.